Welcome to the Trail Boss Squad. My name's John. We're shining the light of Christ one ride at a time. And guys, we are partnering once again with Venom Trucks. Guys, one of my favorite brands. Everything we've ever reviewed for them has been absolutely awesome. And we're back with always amber lights. And you say, wait a minute, you already did a video on that. Yes, but Venom has come out with a new improved installation method that doesn't require getting under the dash of your truck, fiddling with any of those wires. No, we're just simply going to pop the hood and put a piece right in between your current wire and your headlight, and that's it. You're completely finished. Now, this is going to be a way easier setup. It's very similar to their switchback system, where it's just a harness that fits in between and it's plug and play, and there's nothing fancy that you've got to do. You just got to squeeze your hand in there, pull some plugs apart, and then get these put in. So I'm excited about these. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to install them, and won't take really about 30 minutes and some patience. Let's go.
So let's go ahead and unwrap our brand new Venom light harnesses. Now, if you remember the old setup, this will look quite a bit different. Of course, we got our Venom sticker, gotta have that. The old setup did have harnesses to connect to the headlights, but it also had quite a bit on the inside underneath the dash as well. On this new setup, what you see is all that you need. Of course, they've got that cool Venom logo on it, but all of those wires that would have been under the dash are somehow located inside of the boxes that are attached to these harnesses. Venom Truck has really stepped up their game with technology and made this installation a whole lot simpler. Venom Trucks is using high quality OEM-style connectors that will go right up to your headlight and to your factory plugs. So if you've ever been on the fence about going this always amber route and were afraid of the wiring, you don't have to be afraid anymore.
So the first thing that we're going to want to do is go ahead and pop our hood. You can see I've been cleaning up a little bit here with some other wires. And once we open the hood up, let's go ahead and disconnect our negative battery cable just to be safe. And we'll just need a 10mm socket and a ratchet or a wrench. We'll just go ahead, loosen that up a little bit. You don't have to take it all the way off. Wiggle it. I like to just kind of pull it all the way over here. Tuck it to the side. That way it doesn't accidentally get grounded again. Now if we come over to our driver's side, I'm going to peek down in there, and hopefully you can see that red latch. We are going to pull back on that latch, and then right in front of that latch is a small button that we will push, and we will pull it out. Alright, so don't feel bad about using a screwdriver. So let's give you a little better idea of what to expect. Now this is actually Venom Trucks hookup from their other system, but the end of it looks very similar to your stock system. Now we'll come over to the passenger side, and we will also have that same red clip. It may be easier to get from this way, but once we pop it out, we'll push down on that black part and wiggle it loose. I may hit the camera. And we are free. Now this is the old amber setup. Our stock setup is down there. Alright, so we will take our new Venom connector, reach down in here and plug it into, and make sure that you have your safety plug pulled out. And once again, we'll just reach in. I apologize, you probably can't see anything. And the ears go up on your headlights in case you can't see. Got those plugged in. And we will just push in our red clip. Just like that. On the driver's side, I find it's actually easier to kind of pull your your cable over here to the front, so you got a little extra room. And we will take our connector. Remember which way the ears are facing. We will just slide that in there. Once you hear that click, go ahead and depress your red one on the bottom portion. Now let's go ahead and put this onto our headlight. Alright, now that we've got our wire right here, we're going to go ahead and plug it into our headlight. Now the red clip will go up, and that is also the way I would say the ears are facing. And I can't quite show you the connector. I don't think there's a possible way to get a good camera angle in here. Hopefully you heard that click, and then just go ahead and secure your safety switch. Now we'll go ahead and attach our negative battery cable. Now if you have the old gen of the Venom amber lights, we'll go ahead and make sure all that's disconnected from the inside too. And that will do it for the install, guys. This thing is incredibly easy. There's a little bit of a fiddling around and get you a screwdriver and pry those latches. But besides that, that's really the only thing there is to it. I'm not lying. It took me longer to take the old Venom system out than it did to install this new one. With the old one, there was a whole bunch of wires, and I kind of got a little messy under the dash, but still was good for that always amber look. But we don't have to mess with that anymore. Just plug and play right off the bat. In the old system, there was a switch for the hazard lights. We don't have that anymore. They just work. This could not be any better. Venom really knocked it out of the park. They continue to innovate. They've also got a lot of other awesome products that we've reviewed on the channel, such as the always-on fog lights. We've got it where these side marker lights come on with the high beams. We've got it when we turn on our reverse lights. Every white light back there lights up. So if you're interested in any of that, check out our playlist in the description and use code SQUAD to save a little bit of money when you pick your own up. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Venom, for sponsoring this video. And don't forget, Jesus loves you so much he died for you, and all the honor and glory goes to God. Good night, good trails, and God bless.